We have been a CIMS certified contractor since 2007. We were in the initial class, and we're in the process right now of going through our fifth recertification. CIMS has been awesome for us. I would tell you that, above all, I think it helps keep us accountable and, forcing us to document all our processes and procedures as a business and make sure we're performing all those procedures consistently throughout the organization.
Mm-hmm.
So above all, the accountability of what we need to do on a consistent basis across the enterprise.
So have you used CIMS to get more business, more work?
We have. It is something that, is part of our initial introduction to a customer. We like to explain to people the process we have gone through as a business. And I think it does help us separate ourselves from a lot of the competition.